walking into two straight lines, one behind the other, facing the mirror. And we are going to snake to our right. So we're going to snake down, up, and snake left, down, up. You're going to roll and bend your arms. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands go back on your knees. You're going to circle down to the right 2 times. 1, 2. Then you're going to step on your right foot and you're going to slide forward. Your right arm's going to go over your head. 1, go to the left, 2, 3, 4. From here, we're going to put our hands behind our back and we are going to do heel-toe ball change. Heel, toe, ball, change. Heel, toe, ball, change. 2 Chenin turns to our right. 1, 2. We're going to try that again. So it's heel, toe, ball change, heel, toe, ball change, Chenin turn, right foot. Heel, toe, ball, change, heel, toe, ball, change, Chenin turn, turn. We would do that 2 sets, going around in a circle to our right. After we go around in our circle, we just finished our Chenin turns. We have 8 walks to 2 straight lines. And then in 3 groups, we're going to drop down and do a scissor to our left. So we're going to drop down, and we're going to scissor. So we're going to slide our legs to our left arm up, out, in. And everyone together after group 3 is going to turn to their left and slide back, pushing their legs out straight. You're going to bring your knees up and lift. Kick your right foot, kick, 2, kick, cross, kick, down. Left hand's going to go behind your head, and you're going to push 2 times and turn towards the front over your right shoulder. Push, 1, 2, turn. Slide, putting your left foot, left knee, left leg down on the floor. Slide, right knee up, and you're going to do a knee spin to your left. Bring both feet in, and then you're going to roll